Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and I am standing in front of one beautiful 69 Camaro, 396 big block under the hood, black interior, automatic, beautiful restoration. And if you want to check out about 100 pictures of her, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're going to put it up on the lift and check out the bottom side. We're going to pop the hood, take a look at that big block. We'll look at the interior. We'll look inside the trunk. We're going to show you everything you want to see so you can make a great decision on your Camaro investment. So come on up and we'll fire it up now. So check this beauty out, man. Those stripes are buried under the clear. I cannot even feel those stripes. And the grille is in beautiful shape. The chrome on the bumper looks good. That cowl hood looks great on the car. The hood's lined up nice and flush. The line's nice and straight. And that silver paint is beautiful. Actually, it's more of a charcoal silver. Just gorgeous job on the bodywork on it. Straight as an arrow. Somebody spent a lot of time blocking this car, getting it nice and straight. The door lines up nice and flush here. Stainless around the windshield, looks like it's new. Door handles in beautiful shape. All the whiskers here look like they've been replaced. Door operates nice and smooth. The door lips here look good. Looks like the latch was out when they restored it. New rubber was put on the door. The door panel's in good shape. The chrome on the handles still looks good. And look at that door jamb. Look how nice and clean that is. That tells me somebody really cares about the car. They spent that much time looking at the door jamb. They definitely did a great job on the rest of the car also. Dash pad looks good. Stock appearing steering wheel, staple shifter, seat belts are in there front and rear. Upholstery looks good. Even the trim back there around the back window has been painted up nice. Headrests look good. Headliner looks great. Sun visors look great. The faces of the gauges are in good shape. Everything about the car is highly restored. Beautiful job. Paint work is straight as an arrow. Great looking set of wheel and tire combo on it. Again, these stripes are buried in the clear. Tail light lenses are in good shape. Chrome on the back bumper looks good. I've only got 3 keys to pick from here. We'll see how lucky I am. Look at that. First try, no go. There we go. Look at that trunk. Looks brand spanking new in there. Everything nice and clean. Always look at the wheel wells. They look good. Back sides of the quarters look good. Floorboard looks good. I always check out the gutters here around the trunk because that's where the water lays. All the rubber's been replaced. The lip on the bottom side of the deck lid looks good. The paint on the bottom side of the deck lid looks good. When you look down the side of it, look how nice and straight that paint work is. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. We own all of our vehicles here. As a matter of fact, I help pick out every one of these cars. So what that says to you is that you're getting my 35 years of experience in dealing with muscle cars so we can park your dream in your driveway. Now let's go outside and drive this thing. All right, let's take this Camaro for a ride. This baby is sweet, guys. Listen to that exhaust. Just an amazing car here. And we can ship this 69 anywhere in the world. Call Tom at 248-974-9513, and he can tell you how easy it is to ship this Camaro anywhere you live in the world. And we can park this dream in your drive. If you need a little help with financing, no problem there whatsoever. Tom's got 2 bankers he works with. 15-minute phone call with the banker, and this dream is yours. Now look down here on the dash. We got the speedo working, we got the tach working. It's got an aftermarket radio in it. It's playing music. We got our gauges down here on the console. Windshield wipers are wiping. This Camaro's ready to go, guys. The paint work on it's amazing. I love the hood. Just an amazing piece right here. Now, the guys will go through all the major electrical stuff on the car. They'll make sure that the lights work. They'll make sure that your headlights, your brake lights, your dash lights, everything that you need to jump in this car and head right out to the car show, whatever you want to do. So just give Tom a call. Now we're gonna put this car up in the air so you can check out the underside, and we'd love to have you come visit us. So if you need to hop on an airplane, we're only 20 minutes from the airport. We can come down to the airport and pick you up. If you wanna drive in, we're here on Saturdays. So just drive on in, just give Tom a call, let him know you're coming. We'd love to show you this car. We ship most of our cars sight unseen. So we love to have visitors at Vanguard. Listen to that exhaust. Man, does it sound sweet. Now we've got 220 cars in stock, and we're always bringing in new cars. We bring in about 40 new cars a month, so you gotta make sure you keep a close eye on us, because you never know what kind of cool car we'll be bringing in next. I don't even know what kind of cool car we're gonna bring in next, and I help pick out every car that we buy at Vanguard. I'll tell you what, all these people are cranking their heads around, checking out this beautiful Camaro. And I tell you what, a lot of people are jealous of that exhaust. That thing sounds so great. This car's amazing, guys. Now, 69 Camaros go really quick, so call Tom today at 248-974-9513, and we can park this dream in your drive. We're coming up to the shop now. We're gonna put it up on the rack now, so stick with us. All right, we're underneath this 69 Camaro, and she's pretty under here too, guys. You can see brand new tank, brand new straps, brand new exhaust, and it's all been jet coated. I always look at these drop downs here. First thing to go on these cars, the drop downs look great. And also take a look at the frame where the springs tie into it. It looks awesome. 342 gear in here. It is posi. You can see it's got brand new brake lines. Another thing that you should look at. And if you look real close there, you can see it's got a new hardware there on the interior of the brakes too. Now, when we get them here to the shop, we take them all apart, make sure the brakes are in good working order. They even jet coated the FlowMaster mufflers. This is another trouble spot on these Camaros. I always look right here where these two pieces of metal are welded together. So it's a telltale sign, tells you real quick whether or not you got a quality build here. The spot welds here look good on the rocker panel. The bottom side of the rocker looks good. Floorboards look great. Now the bushings do not look brand new, but they're definitely not original. We do have a brand new brake line running front to back and a brand new fuel line running front to back. We do have a turbo 400 trans. A quick look at that, it kind of looks like Texas. That's how you know it is. That's a 3-speed automatic, by the way. The headers are jet coated. We do have disc brakes up front. Looks like we got new shocks up front. The bushings, they also look like they were replaced at one time. Everything about the car is nice and clean. Always check out the cross member. Again, these things rot out because they fill up with junk. This cross member looks great. Back side of the bumper's nice and clean. That's a telltale sign too. Look at the back sides of things. That way you can really tell the quality. And then the core support. Core support's one of the first things that go on cars too. I always look at the core supports. This one looks like it's brand spanking new. And take a look at the front frame horns. Make sure they're nice and straight. I don't see any damage on these whatsoever. Now let's look at wheels and tires. So we got period correct wheels and center caps. Again, these look like they're brand new. The trim rings also look brand new. We got Cooper Cobra tires. They're 235/60 15s. And I always check the bottom sides of the fenders. Get your fingers in there and feel around. If there was any patchwork or anything, you'd be able to feel it. And then you can see the front of that rocker. That is beautiful metal right there, guys. Let's check the rear. All right, out back here, again, we got a little smudge on this ring. This ring looks like it's brand spanking new, and the center cap. And we got two 35/60/15s there. Another thing I always do, get your flashlight down in here, look right up in here, look right back here, then get your hand up in there and feel around. Just be careful if a car's rotten, sometimes that'll be sharp up in there, but that feels nice and clean to me. And those inner wheel houses also look nice and clean. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we've got a 396 big block. It's a 67 model. We can find that out through the casting number. It's got an Endurashine Edelbrock aluminum intake on it. It's got a 750 Edelbrock carb on it. That's a 4-barrel, guys. Does have an electric choke. We got a gauge here for the fuel pressure. We got some great looking motion valve covers on this 396. They look awesome. Alternators all chromed up, so is the bracketry. Water pumps all chromed up, and the pulleys are also. AC on the car, that's also an aluminum unit there. Now on the brakes, the power booster and the master cylinder are all chromed up, so it does have power brakes, it does have power steering. Firewall's nicely painted, bottom side of the hood's nicely painted. They did a great job running all the lines and everything. All the wiring looks great. Crossflow radiator looks awesome. All the paint work under here looks good. I tell you, take this thing anywhere and be proud of it, guys. She's a 69 Camaro. She's got a big block. It's got AC. Call Tom at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.